Do I see 570, Islamabad United? I see 570 from Islamabad United. Do I see 580? 585 from Karachi Kings. A lot of numbers being crunched at this table. Currently standing with Islamabad United for 570, player number 31, Salman Ali Agha. Karachi Kings, we're waiting on you. Do we see 585 for Salman Ali Agha? We do. Back to Karachi Kings goes Salman Ali Agha for 500 and 585, 5 crores and 85. Islamabad United, your turn. We're back to you. The next would be 6 crores. Islamabad United is out. Currently, Salman Ali Agha stands with Karachi Kings for 585 crores. The floor is open. Last call for Salman Ali Agha. Going to Karachi Kings, going once, going twice, sold.
That was the end of the round, and moving on to the next lot.
The next lot is RB2 batters.
Starting off with number 511, Humayun Altaf. Humayun Altaf at 60 lakh, starting off with number 511. Anyone interested in taking Humayun Altaf at 60 lakh? That's the base price. Any paddles? All right, no paddles raised here. Humayun Altaf goes unsold in the HPL PSL. Number 24 then, Fakhar Zaman. Number 24, 4.2 crores. Fakhar Zaman at 4.2 crores.
Islamabad.
At 4.2 crores. Islamabad has raised the paddle at 4.2 crores. 435, Lahore Qalandars at 435. Islamabad United has raised the paddle, 4.5. Lahore Qalandars has raised the paddle,
4.65.
465. 480. Islamabad at 480. 495. Lahore Qalandars. 510 for Islamabad United. We're looking at 525. 525 for Lahore Qalandars. 525 for Lahore Qalandars. Islamabad United is out at 525 for Lahore Qalandars. Anyone interested? Anyone else interested? At 525, we've got Lahore Qalandars. The paddle has been raised by Peshawar Zalmi. 540, 540. 555 for Lahore Qalandars. Anyone for 570? 570. 570 for Peshawar Zalmi. 585 for Lahore Qalandars. Can I have a 6 crore? 6 crore from Peshawar Zalmi. 6 crore from Peshawar Zalmi. Fakhar Zaman at 6 crore from Peshawar Zalmi. Can I have a 615? We've got 615 from Lahore Qalandars. 630, we're looking at 630. Peshawar Zalmi at 630. Are we looking at 630? We're looking at 630 from Peshawar Zalmi. 645 from Lahore Qalandars. 660 if Peshawar wants him. 660. 660 if Peshawar wants him. All right, Peshawar, are you in or not? They've raised the paddle. 660 is what we're looking at from Peshawar Zalmi. 675 from Lahore Qalandars. 690 if Peshawar is interested. 690 if Peshawar is interested. Peshawar Zalmi, are you interested? Peshawar Zalmi is taking their time. They've raised the paddle at 690. 705 is what we are looking at from Lahore Qalandars if they are to have Fakhar Zaman back in their squad. 705. 705 is what we are looking at. They have gone for it. 705 is what we are looking at from Lahore Qalandars. 720 is what we are going to be looking at from Peshawar Zalmi. 720. 720. Peshawar Zalmi having a bit of a chat with regards to this bid. 720 is what we are looking at. All right, Peshawar Zalmi, are you in or out? Taking a moment, taking a moment. Peshawar Zalmi has raised the paddle at 720. Lahore Qalandars, 735. Back to Peshawar Zalmi. 750 is what we are looking at from Peshawar Zalmi. 750 is what we are looking at from Peshawar Zalmi.
This is absolutely heating up for Fakhr Zaman. Lahore wants him at all costs and seems like Peshawar is fighting hard.
750 is what we are looking at from Peshawar Zalmi. Peshawar Zalmi, are you interested at 750 for Fakhr Zaman? $750 is what we are looking at. Peshawar Zalmi, are you in or are you out?
Peshawar is out.
Peshawar,
can we
are
get a
you out?
confirmation?
They've raised the paddle after much deliberation. 750, but we've got 765 from Lahore Qalandars. Lahore Qalandars does not want to let go of Fakhr Zaman at any cost. 765, 765 from Lahore Qalandars. 780 is what we're looking at from Peshawar Zalmi if they are to get Fakhr Zaman. 780 is what we are looking at from Peshawar Zalmi. They've raised the paddle at 780. 795 is what we require from Lahore Qalandars for Fakhr Zaman. Having a bit of chat as well. Very keen to have Fakhr Zaman back for Lahore Qalandars.
A lot of smiles.
795. 795 from Lahore Qalandars. 795. Can I have an 805? Can I have an 805 for Fakhr Zaman from Peshawar Zalmi? $805 from Peshawar Zalmi. 8.1. 8.1 is what we are looking at. Peshawar Zalmi, are you in? Peshawar Zalmi taking a moment after this bidding war, having their discussions. 8.1, are you out, Peshawar Zalmi? Are you, Peshawar Zalmi is out. Peshawar Zalmi is out. Anyone else on this floor interested in Fakhr Zaman? Anyone else interested in Fakhr Zaman? All right, it seems like no one else is interested. Lahore Qalandars have managed to retain Fakhr Zaman, going once, going twice, and sold for 7.950 crores. Player number 9, Daryl Mitchell. 4.2 crores, Daryl Mitchell. Do we have any paddle around here for Daryl Mitchell? We've got Lahore Qalandars at 4.2. 4.35 for Quetta Gladiators. 4.5 from Lahore Qalandars for Daryl Mitchell. 465 from Quetta Gladiators. 480 from Lahore Qalandars. We've got a golden bat here from Islamabad United.
55 million.
55 million is what we are looking at. 55. Lahore Qalandars is out. Lahore Qalandars have mentioned that they are out at 55 for Islamabad United. Peshawar
Let's
Zalmi
check
has
with
raised
Quetta.
the
Let's
paddle.
check with Quetta first.
Quetta first because they're still very much involved in the bid. Are you out, Quetta? Are you out? All right, Quetta Gladiators is out and we now move towards Peshawar Zalmi. Peshawar Zalmi has raised the paddle. 5.7. The golden bat has again been raised.
61 million.
61 million. 61 million is what we are looking at from Islamabad United. 6.25. Do we have a 6.25? 6.25 from Peshawar Zalmi is what we've got. 640 is what we are looking at. The golden bat has been raised again.
65 million.
65 million from Islamabad United. 6.65 from Peshawar Zalmi.
70 million.
70 million after the golden bat has been raised. 715 is we are looking at if we are to have a raise here from Peshawar Zalmi. All right, a discussion happening. Just the paddle has been raised at 7.15. 7.3 from Islamabad United. 7.3 from Islamabad United and 7.4 if Peshawar Zalmi are to take Daryl Mitchell. 7.45. Daryl Mitchell, 7.45 is what we are looking at from Peshawar Zalmi. All right, Peshawar Zalmi. 7.45 is what we are looking at. Peshawar Zalmi, are you in? Are you still bidding? All right, 7.3 is what we are looking at this point of time from Islamabad United. Peshawar Zalmi, are you out? Peshawar Zalmi is still having a bit of a chat. Are you out? All right, the paddle has been raised. The paddle has been raised. 7.45 from Peshawar Zalmi. 7.6 from Islamabad United. 7.6 from Islamabad United. 7.75 is what we are looking at. Peshawar Zalmi, are you looking at 7.75? All right. Peshawar, are you in or out?
Peshawar, we have
All
10
right,
seconds
Peshawar
left.
Zalmi is out. Peshawar Zalmi is out currently at 7.6. Currently at 7.6 for Daryl Mitchell. Any other takers for Daryl Mitchell on the floor? Any other takers for Daryl Mitchell on the floor? No takers then. 7.6 for 7.6 crores. We do have a taker because Team Rawalpindi has raised the paddle. 7.75 from Team Rawalpindi. Can I see a 7.90 from Islamabad United? Can I see a 7.90 from Islamabad United for Daryl Mitchell? All right, the paddle has been raised. 790. We've got 790. Can I see an 805? 805 from Rawalpindi. 805 from Rawalpindi. 820 is what we require. Islamabad United is out. 805 currently with Team Rawalpindi. You've got Daryl Mitchell with Team Rawalpindi at 8.05. Any other takers on the floor for Daryl Mitchell? All right, there are no takers then for Daryl Mitchell. Daryl Mitchell for 8.05, going once, going twice, and sold to Team Rawalpindi. All right, player number 276, Max Bryant. 60 lakh rupees. We've got Max Bryant, Islamabad United, for 60 lakh. Max Bryant. Can I see a 62.5 from any other teams? We're standing at base price currently. Can I see a 62.5 from any of the other teams? Australian batter Max Bryant. Anyone interested? At 62.5. For 60 lakh, then number 276, Max Bryant, going once, going twice, and sold
we
to
have
Islamabad
bid.
United. Okay,
Wait, everybody.
hold
Just
on.
before the gavel
Because
hit.
just in time, they managed to raise their paddle, Peshawar Zalmi, before we ended this bid. Yes, Peshawar Zalmi, 62. We've got Peshawar Zalmi, Islamabad United at 60, and then Peshawar Zalmi raised the paddle. But now we've also got a golden bat from Islamabad United.
70 million.
70 million. 70 million.
7 million.
For
7 million.
Max Bryant.
7
7
million.
million.
7-0. 7-0 is what we're looking at. 7-0. Can we see a 72.5? Can we see a 72.5? The paddle has been raised. 72.5. 75 from Islamabad United. 77.5 is what we are looking at from Peshawar Zalmi. All right, paddle has been raised. 80.
77.5. We're looking at 80 now from. Oh,
We're
golden
looking
bat.
at 80, but the golden bat has been raised.
10 million.
10 million. 1 crore is what we've got from Islamabad United. 1.025 is what is required from Peshawar Zalmi, who've raised the bat. 1.025. Islamabad United, back to you.
125.
125. 125. You heard it from Islamabad United. 1.3. 1.35 is what we're looking at.
1.3.
1.3. 1.3. Peshawar Zalmi, are you interested for Max Bryant at 1.3? All right, they've raised the paddle. They've raised the paddle at 1.3. 135, Islamabad United, 135. 140 is what we're looking at from Peshawar Zalmi. Peshawar Zalmi, 140 is what we are looking at. They've raised the paddle. 140 from Peshawar Zalmi. 145 from Islamabad United. 150 is what we are looking at now. 150 from Peshawar Zalmi. 155 from Islamabad United. 160 if Peshawar wants him. 160 for Max Bryant if Peshawar wants him. Peshawar has raised the paddle at 160, 165. We've got Islamabad United at 165. 170 if Peshawar is interested. 170 if Peshawar is interested. Peshawar Zalmi have raised the paddle. 170. 175. We've got Islamabad United at 175. Max Bryant for 175. 180 is what we're looking at from Peshawar Zalmi. Peshawar Zalmi, are you in or are you out? Can I hear a bid from you guys? 180 is what we're looking at. All right, the paddle has been raised. 180, 185 from Islamabad United. Islamabad United is not letting go of Max Bryant. 1.9. 1.9 is what we're looking at. 1.9 is what we've got from Peshawar Zalmi. All right, 1.95. 2 crores is what we require from Peshawar Zalmi if they are to have Max Bryant. 2 crores if Peshawar Zalmi picks Max Bryant. Peshawar, are you interested? Having a bit of chat, looking at their purse. They are out. Peshawar Zalmi is out, sitting at 1.95 with Islamabad United. Currently, anyone else on the floor interested in taking Max Bryant? All right, no paddles have been raised for 1.95. Max Bryant going once, going twice, and sold to Islamabad United. Number 16, Rassi van der Joosen. 4.2 crores is the base price we're looking at. 4.2 crores is the base price that we are looking at. Any takers for Rasi? Any takers for Rasi? All right. Anyone interested for Rasi van der Dusen? Okay then. Rasi van der Dusen is unsold in the HPL PSL. Number 207, Tayyab Tahir. Number 207, Tayyab Tahir. 1.1 crore. 1.1 crore is the base price that we're looking at. Tayyab Tahir. Tayyab Tahir. Anyone looking for Tayyab Tahir at 1.1 crore? All right. No takers for Tayyab Tahir. Tayyab Tahir remains unsold in the HPL PSL. Moving on to the next number, 564, Muhammad Faik. 564, 60 lakh rupees is the base price that we're looking at. Base price of 60 lakh, Muhammad Faik. Number 564, any takers for Muhammad Faik? All right, no takers here on the tables here for Muhammad Faik. Muhammad Faik remains unsold in the HPL PSL. Number 621, Muhammad Amir Barki. Number 621 at 60 lakh, Muhammad Amir Barki. Anyone looking to get Muhammad Amir Barki? Right-handed batsman, anyone looking to get Muhammad Amir Barki? All right then, no takers for Muhammad Amir Barki. Muhammad Amir Barki remains unsold in the HPL PSL. All right, number 614, Muhammad Zulkifal. Number 614, 60 lakh, Muhammad Zulkifal. Anyone interested in taking Muhammad Zulkifal at 60 lakh, which is his base price? The base price at 60 lakh. Right then, no takers for Muhammad Zulkifal. Number 614. All right, this is the end of the round. We can now move on to the next round. Lot RC2 is of fast bowlers.
Fast bowlers, player number 491, Fawad Ali. Base price 60 lakhs. Do we have any takers for Fawad Ali? Fast bowler, player number 491. Base price 60 lakhs. Do we have any takers? Last call for player 491, Fawad Ali. Goes unsold in HPL PSL. Moving on to player 147, Muhammad Nahid Rana from Bangladesh. Base price is 1.1 crores. Do I see any takers for Nahid Rana at 1.1 crore base price? Fast bowler from Bangladesh, Muhammad Nahid Rana at 1.1 crore. Do I see any takers? Last call for Nahid Rana at 1.1 crores. And he goes unsold in HPL PSL. Player number 50, Tamal Mills. Base price 2.2 crores. Player number 50, Tamal Mills. Fast bowler from England at 2.2 crores currently at the base price. Do we have any takers? Last call for Tamal Mills. Goes unsold in HPL PSL. Player number 883, Alzari Joseph. Base price, 4.2 crores. Do we have any takers for Alzari Joseph, the West Indian, at the highest base price of 4.2 crores currently? Any takers for Alzari Joseph? Last call for Alzari Joseph, no takers? Goes unsold in HPL PSL. Moving on to player 191, Khurram Shehzad at base price 1.1 crore. Fast bowler, Khurram Shehzad, player number 191, currently at base price 1.1 crore. Do we have any takers for Khurram Shehzad? We have Islamabad, we have Khurram Shehzad with Islamabad United at 1.1 crore base price. Can I see 1.15? Do I see 1.15 from anybody other than Islamabad United? Currently with Islamabad United, we have a bid from Quetta. Quetta, did you raise the paddle? If you have raised the paddle, then you have to keep it up.
Sialkot.
Sialkot, we have your paddle up. You have one, we have Khurram Shehzad at 115 now. Can I get 1.20 from Islamabad? We get 1.20 for Khurram Shehzad. Sialkot, we're back with you. Do I get 1.25? 1.25 to Sialkot Stallions for Khurram Shehzad. Golden bat has been raised at Islamabad's desk. What's the new price?
15 million.
1.5 crores. Khurram Shehzad at 1.5 crores now with Islamabad United. Sialkot, do I see 1.55? They're out. So the floor is now open. Khurram Shehzad currently with Islamabad United at 1.5 crores. Do I see any other takers? Anybody else want to go for Khurram Shehzad? Peshawar Zalmi is back in at 1.55. Khurram Shehzad, Islamabad, we're back with you. We have a golden bat from Islamabad.
175.
1.75 crores for Khurram Shehzad from Islamabad United. Peshawar, do we see 1.80? Currently with Islamabad United, courtesy of the golden bat from Rehanul Haq, 1.75 for Khurram Shehzad. Islamabad raises the paddle for 1.8. Islamabad, we're back with you.
2 crore.
Another golden bat, and it goes to 2 crores now. The magic number for Khurram Shehzad now would be 2.05, Peshawar, if you need him. Do I see a 2.05? Zalmi. Zalmi, do I see a 2.05? Zalmi, we have, the back in at 2.05. Islamabad United at 2.10. Peshawar, we're back with you. They're not giving you any time to deliberate, are they? Do I see 2.15? Ten seconds to go, Peshawar. 2.15 for Khurram Shehzad to Peshawar Zalmi. Now 2.20 to back to Islamabad United. Peshawar, the new price is 2.3. Peshawar raises the paddle. Khurram Shehzad goes to Peshawar for 2.3. Islamabad back in the game with 2.4 crores for Khurram Shehzad. The magic number now, Peshawar, is 2.5 if you want Khurram Shehzad. Started off with the base price of 1.1 crores. Currently at 2.4 with Islamabad United. Khurram Shehzad, fast bowler. Ten seconds to go, Peshawar. The magic number is 2.5. Do I see a paddle? I do. Khurram Shehzad goes to Peshawar Zalmi at 2.5. Islamabad back in the game at 2.6 crores. Wasting no time. Peshawar, it's 2.7 now. 2.7 to Peshawar Zalmi. Do I see a 2.8? Islamabad is out. Currently with Peshawar Zalmi for 2.7 is fast bowler Khurram Shehzad. The floor is now open for any other team who would like to bid on Khurram Shehzad. Currently at 2.7 with Peshawar Zalmi. Last call. Going once, going twice, sold. Next is player number 27, Muhammad Amir. Base price of 4.2 crores. Do I see any takers? Muhammad Amir, fast bowler from Pakistan at 4.2 crores currently, base price. Do I see any paddles up? Zainab, do you see any paddles up?
Not really, Hijab. Not so far.
Last call for Muhammad Amir at base price of 4.2 crores. Last call. And we have a paddle. I had a feeling that something was going to come around. It goes to Team Rawalpindi for 4.2 crores for Muhammad Amir. Do we have any other teams in contention at 4.35 for Muhammad Amir? 4.35 is now the next highest bid for Muhammad Amir from any other team, standing at 4.2 base price with Team Rawalpindi currently. Karachi is in the game at 4.35 for Muhammad Amir. Team Rawalpindi, we're back to you. Do I hear a 4.5? Currently with Karachi Kings for 4.35 Team Rawalpindi. The next number would be 4.5 crores. We have a bid from Team Rawalpindi, Muhammad Amir for 4.5 crores. Karachi Kings, we're looking at you. Do I see 465? Currently with Team Rawalpindi for 4.5, fast bowler Muhammad Amir. Karachi, do we have a decision? They're taking a moment.
4.5.
He's currently at 4.5 with
4.5.
Team Rawalpindi. The next bid would be 4.65. We see 4.65 from Karachi Kings. Team Rawalpindi, we're back to you. Do I see 4.8? Team Rawalpindi, the newest addition to HPL PSL. Do I see 4.8? I do see 4.8 from Muhammad Rizwan for Muhammad Amir. Karachi Kings, we're back to you. Do I see 495? Currently at 4.8, Muhammad Amir with Team Rawalpindi. Karachi Kings, the magic number would be 495. Ten seconds to go, Karachi Kings. Do I see 495? I see 495 from Karachi Kings, and right next to them, I see 5.10 from Team Rawalpindi. Now currently standing with Team Rawalpindi at 5.10, Muhammad Amir. Karachi Kings, the ball is back in your court. Do I see 525? I see 525 from Karachi Kings. Magic number would be 540 for you, Team Rawalpindi. 540 from Team Rawalpindi for Muhammad Amir. Karachi is out. Floor is now open to all the other teams looking to get Muhammad Amir at 555. Currently sitting with Team Rawalpindi at 540. No other takers? Going once, going twice, and sold. Player number 704, Ubaid Shah. Base price 60 lakhs. Fast bowler, young fast bowler, brother of Naseem Shah, Ubaid Shah at 60 lakhs base price. Has played for two different teams in the past. Do I see any takers for Ubaid Shah? 60 lakhs. Do I see any takers? I see Islamabad United raising a paddle at 60 for Ubaid Shah. I see Karachi Kings raising a paddle for 62.5 lakhs. Islamabad, do I see 65? I see 65. Karachi, we're back with you at 67.5. Islamabad.
1 crore.
Islamabad has raised the golden bat, and the price is now 1 crore for Ubaid Shah. Do I see 1.025? Karachi. Karachi has raised the golden paddle as well. Can we know the number?
1.2.
1.2 crores for Ubaid Shah for Karachi Kings. Islamabad has raised the golden paddle.
1.5.
1.5 crore, the new price for Ubaid Shah from Islamabad United. Ubaid Shah at 1.5. Karachi Kings, we're back to you. Do I see 1.55? Currently standing with Islamabad United, player number 704, Ubaid Shah, at 1.5 crores. Started from 60 lakhs. We see 1.55 from Karachi Kings. And we see 1.6 from Islamabad United. Do I see 1.65 Karachi? I see 1.65 from Karachi Kings, 1.7 from Islamabad United. Karachi, the next number would be 1.75. Do I see a bid? I see a golden paddle.
2 crores.
The price is now at 2 crores with Karachi Kings for Ubaid Shah and has been raised to 2.05 from Islamabad United. Currently standing at 2.05 with Islamabad United, Ubaid Shah. Karachi Kings, next number would be 2.1 crore. Do I see 2.1? I see 2.1 from Shayan Salman. Do I see 215? I see 215 from Islamabad United, the men in red. Next number would be 220, Karachi Kings. Karachi Kings, do I see 220? We see 220 from Karachi Kings. Islamabad United, do I see 230? 230 from Islamabad United. The next number would be 240. Karachi Kings, are we in? Are we out? 240 would be the next highest bid for Ubaid Shah. 240 from Karachi Kings. Islamabad, we're back with you. Do I see 250? Islamabad United is out. So currently Ubaid Shah stands with Karachi Kings at 2.4 crores. The floor is now open for all the other teams to bid. Player number 704, Ubaid Shah, currently at 2.4, going to Karachi, going once, and we have a bid from Lahore Qalandars, 2.5 crores for Ubaid Shah. Lahore Qalandars coming in hot at the very last moment. Next number would be 2.6 Karachi Kings. What's it gonna be? Lahore Qalandars bidding at 2.5 for Ubaid Shah, who started at 60 lakhs. Karachi Kings. Next number, it's 2.6 from Karachi Kings. Lahore Qalandars, do I see a 2.7? Lahore Qalandars, do I see a 2.7? I see 2.7 from Lahore Qalandars. The paddle has been raised. Next number would be 2.8. 2.8 crores. Karachi Kings, do I see 2.8 crores? Player number 704, Ubaid Shah, do I see 2.8 crores? Karachi Kings. Currently with Lahore Qalandars for 2.7 crores. Ubaid Shah, young commodity fast bowler. Karachi Kings, we've got 10 seconds on the clock. Do I see 2.8? Karachi Kings is out. Currently, Ubaid Shah stands with Lahore Qalandars at 2.7. The floor is now open once again for all the other teams to bid. The next number would be 2.8 crores. Last call for Ubaid Shah. Going to Lahore Qalandars, going once, going twice, and sold. Okay, we are going to be moving on to the next lot. Yeah.
It's the final round before lunch. It's the final round before lunch.
Lot number RE2, wicket-keeper batters.
Number 623, Ghazi Ghori. Mohammad Ghazi Ghori at 60 lakh. Do we have any takers for Ghazi Ghori at 60 lakh? Any team interested in taking Ghazi Ghori at 60 lakh? All right then, we have no takers for Ghazi Ghori. Ghazi Ghori is unsold in the HPL PSL. Number 144, Litan Kumar Das. Liton Kumar Das. 1.1 crores is what we are looking at. That's the base price, 1.1 crores. Wicketkeeper batter, Liton Das. Anyone interested for Liton Das? No takers then for Liton Das. Let's move on. Number 48, Kusal Pereira. Kusal Pereira, 2.2 crores. Kusal Pereira. Number 48, for 2.2 crores, that's the base price that we are looking at. Any team interested in securing Pereira? All right, no one seems interested, so Kusal Pereira is unsold. Number 195,
Oh, okay,
Mohammed.
wait.
All right.
That was a little
Lahore
too late,
Qalandars
Salim bhai.
making a late entry for Kusal Pereira. Lahore Qalandars making a late entry for Kusal Pereira. Anyone else? 2.2 crores is what we've got. 2.3 Hyderabad. 2.4 Lahore Qalandars. 2.5 is what we're looking at. 2.5 from Hyderabad. 2.6 is what we are looking at from Lahore Qalandars for securing Kusal Pereira. 2.6 is what we've got from Lahore Qalandars. 2.7 from Hyderabad. 2.7. 2.8 is what we're looking at ahead from Lahore Qalandars. 2.8 from Lahore Qalandars. 2.9 if Hyderabad is interested. 2.9 is what we've got from Hyderabad for Kusal Pereira. Lahore Qalandars.
3 crores.
3 crores from Lahore Qalandars. 3 crores from Lahore Qalandars. Kusal Pereira standing at 3 crores for Lahore Qalandars. Hyderabad has raised the paddle. 3.10 from Hyderabad. 3.20 if Lahore needs them. Lahore has signaled that they are out. Lahore has signaled that they are out. 3.10 currently with Hyderabad. Kusal Pereira currently with Hyderabad. Do we have any other takers for Kusal Pereira on the floor? All right, no takers then for Kusal Pereira. And at 3.10, wicket-keeper batter, we've got Kusal Pereira at 3.10, going once, going twice, and sold to Hyderabad. Number 195, Mohammad Haris. Mohammad Haris, number 195. 1.1 crore Quetta Gladiators at 1.1 crore. Any other takers? Quetta Gladiators at 1.1 crore. Peshawar Zalmi has raised the paddle, 1.15. 1.20 is what we are looking at. 1.20 is what we are looking at from Quetta Gladiators. Quetta Gladiators taking a moment, having a bit of a discussion.
Currently at 1.15, the next highest bid would be 1.2.
All right, the paddle has been raised for 1.2 crores for Mohammad Haris. 1.25 is what we are looking at. Peshawar Zalmi at 1.25. Quetta will be looking at 1.3 if you want him. Quetta has raised the paddle for 1.3 crores for Mohammad Haris. 1.35 is what we're looking at from Peshawar Zalmi if they are to take Mohammad Haris. 1.35 is the number, and that's the number we get from Peshawar Zalmi. 1.40 is the number then if Quetta are to secure Mohammad Haris. 1.4 is what we're looking at. Quetta Gladiators, are you interested in having Mohammad Haris? A bit of a chat going around on that table for Quetta Gladiators. 1.4 is what we are looking at if they are to go higher. Quetta Gladiators, are you interested in taking Mohammad Haris? Quetta Gladiators is out currently at 1.35. Islamabad United has raised the paddle for 1.4, 1.4. 1.45 is what we are looking at. 1.45 is what we're looking at. Peshawar Zalmi at 1.45. 1.5 is what we're looking at from Islamabad if they are interested. All right, the paddle has been raised to 1.5. Peshawar Zalmi, 1.55 is what we're looking at from you. For Mohammad Haris, 1.55 is what we've got. Islamabad United.
Do we see 1.6? We do.
All right. Islamabad United. 1.6. 1.6 is then the number. Peshawar Zalmi has raised the paddle. 1.65. 1.65. Islamabad United has raised the paddle. 1.7. 1.7 for Zalmi. 1.7. We've got 1.7 for Peshawar Zalmi. $1.75. 1.75 is what we're looking at. Islamabad United having a bit of a chat, having a look at their remaining purse, looking at their combinations and deciding what they want. Number 195, Mohammad Haris. 1.75 is what we're looking at.
Peshawar Zalmi
Islamabad
trying to
United.
get their wicketkeeper batter back. Islamabad, are you in? Are you out?
Islamabad United, are you in or are you out? They've raised the paddle. 175, 1.75, 1.80 from Peshawar Zalmi. The paddle has been raised.
1.80.
1.8 at 1.8. 1.85 for Peshawar Zalmi. We're looking at 1.9 if Islamabad is to get ahead. Looking at 1.9 if Islamabad is to get ahead. Islamabad United. Are we interested in upping the bid? 1.9 then. 1.9 from Islamabad United. 1.9 from Islamabad United. 1.95 is what we're looking at from Peshawar Zalmi. 1.95 is what we've got from Peshawar Zalmi. Can we see a 2 crore for Mohammad Haris? Wicketkeeper batter Mohammad Haris. Can we see a 2 crore from Islamabad United? Islamabad United. Islamabad United, will you be having Mohammad Haris? Deliberation still going on from Islamabad United.
Ten seconds to go.
1.950 is what we've got. 1.95 is what we've got from Peshawar Zalmi. Currently for Mohammad Haris, we have to come to a decision, Islamabad United. All right, they've raised it to 2 crores. 2 crores is what we've got for Mohammad Haris for Islamabad United. 2